Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build smart investment habits, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by defining what smart investment habits are. Explain how these habits can lead to financial success over time. Encourage viewers to set clear financial goals. Suggest that they identify both short-term and long-term objectives. Next, emphasize the importance of educating themselves about different investment options. Recommend reading books, taking courses, or following reputable financial news sources. Encourage viewers to create a budget that includes a portion for investments. Highlight the significance of saving consistently to fund their investment activities. Advise them to start small and gradually increase their investment amounts. Suggest using a diversified approach to minimize risks. Explain the importance of research before making any investment decisions. Recommend tracking their investments regularly to monitor performance. Encourage viewers to be patient and avoid reacting impulsively to market fluctuations. Emphasize that investment experiences may involve both gains and losses. Stress the importance of learning from mistakes and adjusting strategies accordingly. Advise setting up automatic contributions to investment accounts to stay consistent. Finally, remind viewers to review their financial goals periodically and adjust their strategies as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.